Okay, this is a short video on the pseudocode for the TreeLab method, all the way at the bottom, the display level order. There it is, display level order, the non-recursive method using a queue. And so I would challenge you to try and write it yourself. I'm impressed if you do, but this is definitely one where you want to also know the solution that I'm going to share, just because it is pretty elegant and efficient. So whatever you choose to do is fine, but please make sure you understand this one for future knowledge. So for this one, first off, if you've been working on TreeLab, you're in that recursive zone, and so letting go of the recursion, and coming back to some loops and things. And so just a little recap of, if this is the tree, and so in the TreeLab, this is the tree that's being built. And so when I am printing out in level order, it's that I want to print the C, and then the O and the M, and then the PUTE, and then the next level, and the next level, and the next level. So getting that kind of concept in our head. And so the algorithm is actually pretty simple and elegant, and it's a great use of a queue. And so starting off, there's going to be a queue of tree nodes, and then I have my little output window here. And so the start of this is to put the root node onto the queue. And so this is not deleting it or anything here. I'm just showing that I have kind of loaded that node into the queue by crossing it out, just so you can get a visual of how this is going to work as we go. And once that's loaded up, you can have your while loop going through, and as long as this queue is not empty, you're going to take the node off the queue, print the value, and then add the left and right child to the queue. And so I would remove the C, and so remember, this is not just the letter C. I didn't load the value. I loaded the entire node onto the queue. So I can take this C off, and I will display it, and then I will load the O and the M onto the tree node, and so you can see it will look like this. So again, I'm crossing the O and the M out. They are not deleted. I'm just showing that they are loaded into the queue now. So as I come around in my while loop, the next element or next node is going to be the O. That's going to come off my queue of tree nodes. O is over here. It's a little hard to see now. I will print it out, and then I will load P and U, O's children, onto my queue. P and U, yeah. Next, M is on the queue, and so I'm going to get that node. I'm going to remove it from the queue, not remove it from the tree node, remove it from the queue. Print out the M, and then load the T and the E onto the queue. Continuing along, I'm going to now get P, which you'll see is the first on the next level. I'm going to remove it from the queue. I'm going to print it out and then load P's children on. I didn't continue with this. I think you can already kind of get a feel for how this is working, and you kind of see the level order process happening. As you get down here, you are going to have children that are null values. It is up to you how you handle that. Either you don't add left and right children that are null, so you check if they're null before you add them to the queue, or go ahead and add them to the queue and make sure you have in your logic here that when you get the node from the queue, if the node is null, don't do these two things. There's no children, there's nothing to print, so kind of skip it and just keep going as long as there are still things on the queue to process. So that should be enough to get started. So happy coding. Good luck.